Hi and welcome back to another Super Sundays. Today we're going to be making a Cheerio bird feeder. For this you'll just need a piece of string and some Cheerios. As you can see, I tied the bottom of my string a few times to make a big knot, and then I've just started to thread through each Cheerio. After all the threading, you can start to see the bird feeder starting to build up. Just make sure you stay motivated because it can take quite a bit of time if you have a hard time threading. And in a second we'll show you what it looks like when it's hung on the tree, ready for the birds. Thank you, hope you enjoyed.